Welcome to Memjet, the home of industry-leading inkjet precision. Memjet's story is the story of a single idea pursued relentlessly to make industrial-quality inkjet printing faster, simpler, and more flexible, without compromising precision or economy. But the reality is that this single idea has taken decades of engineering discipline, thousands of design decisions, and a depth of intellectual property that's hard to summarize. It brings together materials science, microfluidics, mechanical systems, microelectronics, firmware, software, and the practical realities of industrial manufacturing. That depth of engineering didn't arrive all at once. It was built through successive technology generations, each one expanding what's possible. This is the history of Memjet, progress through multiple technology generations that culminate into today's industry-leading inkjet portfolio. In the earliest chapters of Memjet's evolution, long before the market associated us with the products and platforms you know today, our company was already building something rare, a culture of engineers willing to solve the hard problems others avoided. Not just how to print, but how to print at speed, at scale, with repeatable quality, day after day, while keeping systems flexible, cost-effective, and practical for real-world integration. That journey produced multiple technology generations, some widely visible and others not. Even though early products may not be widely known, their value remains embedded in who we are today. Who we are can be singularly defined by the maxim, "We are R&D." This simple philosophy forms the basis of everything we deliver, including speed, simplicity, and profitability. The depth of our R&D capability underpins our design rules, our reliability thinking, our test discipline, and our instinct for what will break first in the field. To understand Memjet today is to understand what we've always been building, a complete writing system, an integrated ecosystem where precision parts are designed to achieve synergy, allowing our OEM partners to build competitive solutions faster, with performance that holds up in production environments. Alongside advances in architecture and engineering, Memjet has also invested heavily in the development of high-performance ink chemistry. As sustainability becomes an increasingly important consideration in industrial printing, the environmental impact of inks and their compatibility with recycling processes must be carefully understood. Memjet's ink portfolio is entirely water-based, designed to deliver high performance while minimizing harmful substances. Independent laboratory testing has confirmed extremely low levels of common contaminants. Beyond formulation, Memjet pigment inks have been evaluated for their recyclability, demonstrating strong commercial deinkability from a broad range of substrates. This work reflects a broader commitment to ensuring that performance, sustainability, and industrial reliability evolve together. It also reinforces a broader principle that has guided Memjet's development, that every layer of the system must advance in parallel, each contributing to a more complete and capable platform. As Memjet matured, a pivotal shift took shape. Single-pass, page-wide printing became not merely a technology choice, but a strategy. Instead of printing slowly line by line, Memjet focused on printing an entire swath in one pass, allowing high throughput, compact machine designs, and a pathway to both affordability and quality. This evolution led to one of Memjet's defining platforms, VersaPass. VersaPass is where many people first encountered Memjet's signature combination of speed, precision, and affordability in a single-pass digital inkjet system. At its core is a high-density thermal inkjet printhead that is an engineering feat in its own right. With extremely high nozzle density and seamless integration of mechanical, electrical, and fluidic design, the VersaPass printhead ensures output isn't just fast, but consistent and repeatable. VersaPass helped establish Memjet's reputation across multiple markets by enabling OEMs to create systems ranging from compact solutions to wider formats and higher throughput applications. It became and remains an engine of real-world deployment. VersaPass is a present tense platform with continuing market importance and a strong revenue contribution. As VersaPass matured, something else happened. Memjet's engineering confidence grew. When technology operates in the field, when you observe how customers actually use it, you learn things no laboratory can teach. You discover patterns, what operators value, where maintenance efficiencies hide, how media variation affects output, and how environmental conditions compound over time. This learning didn't just improve VersaPass, it became the foundation for everything that followed. As the market expanded into higher volume print categories, OEMs needed solutions that could go further. The Memjet solution was modular architectures capable of supporting more powerful systems and delivering greater scalability. This next era was defined by long-life printheads, pigment ink performance, and highly scalable modular design, all while maintaining the Memjet hallmark of precision. This progress is represented by the introduction of DuraLink. DuraLink extended the Memjet model into a versatile, module-based approach, enabling OEMs to rapidly develop high-performance systems for demanding production environments. With the ability to scale into wide printing arrays, the platform reflects a larger ambition: building systems that thrive in challenging production conditions. Crucially, DuraLink also reflects something Memjet does exceptionally well: turning deep engineering into practical modularity. The goal isn't to guide each partner toward one system. The goal is to give OEMs building blocks that can be assembled into the right machine for the right market, whether that market is packaging, commercial print, or industrial production. Alongside DuraLink, the Memjet portfolio expanded to address applications where OEMs wanted high-quality printing in more compact systems. This is where Duraflex takes its place in the evolution, a platform enabling benchtop, mini press, and light production solutions without abandoning the core Memjet principles of quality, speed, and cost-effectiveness. What's significant is not the introduction of another product line, but the clearly emerging pattern. Memjet continually builds platforms that are practical for OEM commercialization. Innovative technology shapes the market when it's easy to integrate, simple to operate, and cost-effective to deploy. Memjet's portfolio evolved by staying anchored to the reality of market needs: faster development cycles, manageable cost of ownership, and consistent quality. Behind these achievements lies a critical component that is often underappreciated outside engineering circles: the data path. High-speed printing is meaningless if you can't deliver the digital image to the substrate with near-perfect precision. Memjet has invested heavily in its proprietary data path technology to deliver the finite control and timing precision required to maintain image integrity at speed. This process control capability continued to evolve with the launch of DuraBolt, a solution designed for enhanced productivity and real-world durability. The result is a ready-to-deploy, high-end print platform delivering market-leading image quality across a wide range of applications. Purpose-built for high-volume production, DuraBolt leverages Memjet's Thunderbolt printhead technology to achieve print speeds of up to 135 meters per minute. Thunderbolt is the proven workhorse of Memjet's printhead portfolio. An A3 Thunderbolt printhead contains an extraordinary 163,840 nozzles, with 8 nozzles addressing every dot position on the page. This architecture supports over 4 billion ejections per nozzle and provides unprecedented flexibility to adjust speed and resolution without sacrificing quality. The scale at which Memjet printheads operate offers a striking glimpse into the technological achievement behind the brand. Memjet's DuraLink thermal inkjet printheads are advanced microfluidic systems housing 70,400 nozzles, each with a diameter of just 14 microns. For perspective, objects smaller than 40 microns are invisible to the naked eye. At this scale, Memjet printheads deliver billions of microscopic ink droplets with remarkable consistency, resulting in what many consider the highest inkjet print quality available today. Of course, this technological wizardry is more than physics. It is a bright reflection of human endeavour. Memjet's history is defined by accumulated expertise, captured, protected, and refined across decades of projects and platform generations. With a strong culture of intellectual property development, Memjet holds more than 1,000 worldwide patents in our core technologies, creating a broad and defensible portfolio that secures long-term value for OEM partners. A technology portfolio like this can't exist without continuity of expertise, which is where Memjet thrives. Memjet's high-performance global team comprises an interdisciplinary group of experts who foster innovation through unique perspectives, shared knowledge, and collaborative problem-solving that drives sustained progress and long-term impact. Leading technology is rarely built through a single breakthrough. It is built through decades of accumulated understanding: what works, what scales, what can be manufactured, and what customers will adopt. As Memjet's technology portfolio matures, another shift has become increasingly important: delivering integrated solutions more quickly and reliably. Markets don't only want building blocks, they also want speed to deployment and simplicity of adoption. This is why Memjet's portfolio includes solutions designed for rapid integration and operational efficiency, where technology becomes not just a platform, but a practical route to accelerating time to market. All of this brings us to the current flagship chapter, DuraCore. DuraCore represents the culmination of Memjet's long journey. It is a new level of precision and economy for mid-scale print production. It is not simply the next platform. It is the platform shaped by everything that came before. From early technology generations to VersaPass, to scalable modular architectures, to long-life printhead performance, to real-world OEM deployment, and to hard-earned manufacturing insight, DuraCore reflects decades of learning. Designed to meet evolving market demand, DuraCore delivers economical, high-resolution printing across a wide range of applications, including simplex and duplex, sheet-fed and web-fed configurations, and full-bleed CMYK output. What defines DuraCore is design intent, simpler integration, greater automation, and improved ease of use. The result is productivity gains in throughput, uptime, and total cost of ownership. DuraCore is a flagship expression of Memjet's design thinking, complementing an existing portfolio that continues to serve an expanding range of print applications. It is where precision meets economy at a new level. So, what does this history tell us about where Memjet is going? It tells us that the momentum is not about a single platform. It is about the strength of the core technology and the discipline behind it. DuraCore is not an endpoint. It is a marker along a much longer trajectory. A demonstration of what becomes possible when chemistry, microfluidics, MEMS, materials science, firmware, and systems engineering continue to evolve together with intent. The same foundational capabilities that enable DuraCore are designed to go further, to adapt, to scale, and to solve new challenges as they emerge. At Memjet, we are first and foremost an R&D organization. Our role is not just to deliver what is needed today, but to anticipate and engineer what will be needed next. And that leads to a simple proposition. Memjet is built to take on the problems others have yet to solve and turn them into practical, scalable outcomes through disciplined R&D. Because the Memjet story has never been about standing still. It has been about taking on challenges others step away from and solving them through disciplined innovation. Every platform carries forward the lessons of the last, and every generation expands what our partners can build. The Memjet story, at its core, makes finite precision practical. It makes exceptional speed scalable, and it makes inkjet innovation deployable. Memjet, the home of beautiful precision, simplicity, and affordability.